Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe, and I am so happy to welcome you back to our series where we learn American English through the elegant world of high fashion. If you want to improve your vocabulary, practice your pronunciation, and feel more confident, you are in the right place. In our last two lessons, we talked about luxury clothes and beautiful accessories like bags and jewelry. Today, we are doing lesson 3, and we are learning how to talk about luxury shoes and footwear. Shoes are incredibly important because the right pair can make any outfit look instantly more expensive, stylish, and complete. Let's look at this beautiful, clean lifestyle scene. The model is sitting in a minimalist room, and she is selecting her shoes. Her outfit is simple and classic. She is wearing cream trousers and a soft silk blouse. Footwear is a general word in English for anything you wear on your feet. In the world of quiet luxury, we always prefer classic styles that never go out of fashion. Look at the first pair of shoes next to her. These are called loafers. Loafers are flat shoes without any laces or zippers. You can easily slide your foot inside them. In American English, we love loafers because they look professional, smart, and very sophisticated. They are usually made of soft, high-quality leather or suede. Suede is a type of leather with a soft, brushed surface that looks very rich and premium. When you talk about them, you can say, these brown leather loafers are perfect for a classic look. Now, let's look at the other options on the display. For a casual day, people often wear sneakers. In American English, we say sneakers, while in British English people say trainers. Sneakers are athletic shoes, but in modern luxury fashion, white leather sneakers are a huge trend. They look clean, sharp, and minimalist. You can wear them with casual suits or beautiful summer dresses. But what about a special evening event or a formal dinner? For those occasions, women wear high heels, or simply heels. Heels make you look taller, confident, and elegant. A classic type of high heel is called a pump. Pumps are clean, traditional heels with a low-cut front. Every stylish woman has a pair of black pumps in her closet. When we talk about shoes, we also need to learn two important action verbs. To put shoes on your feet is called to put on. For example, I am going to put on my favorite loafers today. The opposite action, when you take the shoes off your feet at home, is called to take off. For example, please take off your shoes before you enter the room. When you go to a luxury boutique, you can ask, can I try on these white sneakers in a size 7, please? Remember, size means how big or small the shoe is. Repeat after me, guys, and practice your pronunciation. I will say the fashion word, and you repeat it during the pause. 1. Footwear. 2. Shoes. 3. Loafers. 4. Suede. 5. Leather. 6. Sneakers. 7. High heels. 8. Pumps. 9. To put on. 10. To take off. 11. Size. 12. Comfortable. 13. Sophisticated. 14. Casual. 15. Formal. Wow, your pronunciation sounds absolutely amazing. Keep practicing these words every single day to build your confidence and sound like a native speaker. Now, it is time for a fun fashion quiz to see what you remember from today's lesson. Listen closely to the questions and try to guess the correct answer before I tell you. Let's go. Question number 1. What is the collective American English word for anything you wear on your feet, like shoes, boots, and sneakers? Is it footwear, or is it jewelry? The correct answer is footwear. Great job. Question number 2. What do we call flat luxury shoes that you can easily slide on without any laces? Are they called pumps, or are they called loafers? The correct answer is loafers. Question number 3. What is the American English word for athletic or sporty shoes? Do we say trainers, or do we say sneakers? The correct answer is sneakers. In America, we love clean white sneakers because they are timeless. Question number 4. Let's do a fill-in-the-blank question. Before you enter a beautiful home, you should always blank your shoes. Is the missing phrase put on, or take off? The correct answer is take off. Question number 5. What is the name of a classic, traditional high heel with a low-cut front? Is it called a pump, or is it called a loafer? The correct answer is a pump. You guys did absolutely amazing today. You successfully completed lesson 3 of our fashion course. Don't forget to drop your quiz score in the comments below. If you loved learning English with me today, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Stay stylish, keep practicing your English every single day, and I will see you next time in lesson 4. Bye everyone.